Om Shri Kailasapataye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti. What inspires me is the divine. What inspires me is the infinite sky, infinite harmony in the whole horizon. What inspires me is the inspiration itself. I have intuitional awakening and vibrations. All the cosmic energy of life inspires me. All the love of life inspires me. It's so beautiful to have being to becoming with whole universe. Painting inspires me, love inspires me, dancing inspires me, meditating inspires me. Everything which is beautiful in this world, that inspires me. Soul is a supreme omnipresence of universal love. Soul is in your breath. Soul goes means what goes? Your breath goes. And your breath, prana, is a soul. It's a self omnipresent, ultimate life. Soul is a supreme, omnipresent, universal light. Enlightenment is a illumination. Soul is a light of a love which breathes in you. My soul is my breath. If you know your breath and prana, then you know whole the universe, how it vibrates. Soul is a self, soul is a supreme, soul is a spirituality, soul is a existence of the universal synergy. Soul is the existence of the harmony between all living beings, all existence, interrelation. Soul is universe, whole universe, not only this, whole cosmic universe. Soul means whole life, which is living and existent. Soul is not only the definition. There are 1 million definitions. Every prana has a different definition of soul. For me, soul is smile, omnipresent, universal life. For me, soul is breath, prana. And for those enlightened, they know their soul. They know their supreme omnipresence, universal life breath. If you know your breath, you know whole universe. Then you know how butterfly. That is why my guru, 7 gurus, they have not asked me to stay in Himalaya. They asked me to go back to the world, because world has gifted you everything. Your soul has to gift whatever you learn to the world. Soul is nothing but a self omnipresent universal life. My sole goal is to connect with every soul and touch, transform and transcend them. You ask about the soul consciousness. Every human who wants to be happy, he has to go back to nature. Because God in you can be awakened. God for me is giving only divine. And how you can learn from where? Only nature. If you go under the sky, then you will, this camera becomes my beautiful eye, third eye.